How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with AtTech. In this video, we're going to be reviewing Pod by LAUT. This is a case for your AirPods. They have many different styles and designs. They're all pretty unique and different and add a lot of personalization to your AirPods. Before we get started, we're having another giveaway. We'll be giving away one pair of these. Just click the link in the description below and follow the giveaway information. We'll pick a winner in about a week and a half or so, and then it'll be shipped out to you. So if you want a free pair, click the link in the description below and enter for the giveaway. So first off, what is Pod? It's a line of AirPod cases by LAUT, and they have many different styles. Right here we have the glow in the dark model. This is going to glow in the dark. They have two colors. They have a neon green and then this coral one. There's also many different other colors. There's different metallic patterns. There's dotted patterns. There's a pastel. Then there's just normal colors. There's a lot of different options available, and this is just one of the many. Packaging is actually very simple. There's just a pull tab on the back, and then we can just pop out our case. Now, unfortunately, I don't have all of the ones they have, it's just this single one. So I can only speak for the glow in the dark model, but this one is made out of a silicone. It's very soft and bendable. The lid is attached with this material to the body. Now it's nice so you don't lose anything, but the biggest issue I have is that it makes it hard to keep the lid of the AirPods open. I like to flip open the lid and it just stays like that, and then you just kind of flick it down. That's what I love doing about this, but because of this connector right here, it prevents you from opening it all the way, and if you let go, it's going to close back automatically. So you have to keep the lid open while you pull the AirPods out. Not the best thing. But I was looking through the different pictures of what they have available, and it looks like the pastel line has a lid that is independent from the body. So it attaches to the top of the lid and is not connected to this whole piece at all. I am not entirely sure about that, so you may want to look into that further, but they may have other options available where this isn't connected. Installing is actually pretty simple. In the case of this one, you stick your AirPods in, push it down. It is a little bit hard to get in, but once you do, it stays in there pretty tight. Then with the lid, we just kind of take that and put it on the top. Now, because of this connecting piece, it also makes it a little bit hard to get the lid portion on right. It seems a little bit tight of a material. So if we take a look at what I just did right now, because you can see there is a gap right there. It doesn't work super well. You have to kind of play around with it for a little bit to get it to work perfectly. And even then, it doesn't quite line up. As you can see, there is still a gap right there in the middle. So this material is a little bit tight, but it is very snug. So like I said, if we flip the lid open, you can see it just barely stays open, and it doesn't stay open all the way. Not my favorite thing. These cases are compatible with all three of Apple's AirPods models, the first generation, the second generation, and then the second generation with wireless charging case. All right, here I have the second generation with wireless charging case. On all models, there is a little hole for your LED light. So you may have a random hole if you don't have the wireless charging case, but if you do, and we open this up, as you can see, it does actually light up. However, the funny part is that the hole on the case is off-centered from the actual light. So if we get a close-up, you can see that there's a hole, and then to the top right of it is the actual light. So didn't quite get that one right. But there are a couple of neat things. We do have plenty of room for our charging on the bottom. There's also a little hole on the side so we can put a string or something and hang it from your keychain. That's pretty nice. This model has grippy sides on it, so you can hold it very nicely and it won't fall. It's rubber, so it's pretty bouncy and soft, and the material is really nice. Like I said, there are many different color options and variations available. If you want a complete list, I'll drop a link to them in the description. I really like the pastels. I think they look really cool. But if you want a glow in the dark one, this is also a pretty neat option. Pricing is a little bit expensive for AirPod cases. They range anywhere from $15 to $30, this one being $25. Maybe a little bit out of some of your price ranges, but if you want a high quality, well-designed AirPods case, this is a great option to consider. Anyway, that's all for this video. Links will be down below, including that giveaway. Don't forget to sign up and try and win a pair of these. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Hat Tech, and I will see you in the next one.